XO. We about to meet her in my car.
Where do you want me to put it?
Wherever you want to put it.
Let's put it down here.
Alright. Alright. Tell me when you're ready.
Reset. Alright, we're ready.
Alright.
Nice, play that same song, yeah. Your headrest is almost the same as your kick. That's pretty impressive. It was doing like a 144 even, and then almost a 145 down there. So it's almost as loud at your ears.
Right. I don't know what it is.
I got an idea.
I know.
Where's YouTube?
Right there.
Oh, right there. Right. I got an idea.
Because I don't know where I peek at or anything. And the cabin's completely stock, so.
I know YouTube's not the best, but we're
Robinhood Gold offers one of the highest APYs available.
But we're trying to just do something temporary.
You can get started by downloading the Robinhood app.
Just tell me whenever you're ready.
That's 153 decibels.
Let's try that again. We'll do 40 hertz. This volume's good? This all the way up?
No, hold on. Let me turn it
there.
up. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
You're good.
All right.
Do you have a bait? Yeah. So let's try 38 or 37. 37 hertz.
Three, two, one.
You want this window shut? Go for it again. Let's try, let's go back to where we just were.
Voltage is still 4.3.
Alright, let's try it again. Let's try to get that 45. Let's try 42.
Three, two, one.
It likes 40. Let's try 39. I want to see if we can get this.
Let me try to click it
145.
up a couple notches.
39 hertz. That was your. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Dang, we're so close. So close.
Yeah, you got
But that's
that.
still pretty respectable,
Yeah,
man. It
right.
really is.